Firewalls, your first line of defense explained. Ever wonder how your data stays safe online? Firewalls play a crucial role in protecting your information from cyber threats. Understanding what firewalls are and how they work can help you safeguard your digital life. A firewall is a network security device that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing traffic. It acts as a barrier between your internal network and external sources, such as the internet, effectively filtering out potential threats. Firewalls are essential for protecting your computer from cyber threats. By blocking unauthorized access, they help prevent hackers, malware, and other malicious entities from infiltrating your system and compromising your sensitive data. Firewalls have evolved from simple packet filters to complex security systems. Initially, they were basic tools that filtered traffic based on predefined rules. Today, they incorporate advanced technologies to provide robust protection against sophisticated cyber attacks. There are several types of firewalls: packet filtering, stateful inspection, and proxy firewalls. Each type offers unique features and capabilities, allowing you to choose the most suitable option for your specific security needs and network environment. Packet filtering firewalls are the simplest type, inspecting each packet that enters or leaves the network based on predefined rules. They allow or block traffic based on criteria like IP addresses, ports, and protocols. Stateful inspection firewalls keep track of the state of active connections and make decisions based on the context of the traffic. They offer more advanced protection by understanding the entire conversation between devices rather than just individual packets. Proxy firewalls act as intermediaries between end users and the internet, providing an additional layer of security. They can filter traffic, cache content, and mask the internal network's IP addresses, enhancing privacy and protection. Next-generation firewalls, NGFW, combine traditional firewall technology with advanced features like intrusion prevention, application awareness, and deep packet inspection. They provide more comprehensive security, protecting against a wider range of threats and offering greater control over network traffic. Software firewalls are installed on individual devices, providing protection for that specific machine. Hardware firewalls, on the other hand, are physical devices that protect entire networks. Each type has its advantages, depending on the level of security needed. Network layer firewalls work by filtering traffic based on IP addresses and port numbers. They operate at the network layer of the OSI model, ensuring that only authorized data packets can pass through, enhancing security. Application layer firewalls delve deeper into packet contents, filtering traffic based on application data. By examining the payload of packets, they can block malicious content and unauthorized applications, providing a more granular level of security. Personal firewalls are designed to protect individual computers from threats and unauthorized access. They monitor incoming and outgoing traffic on a single device, offering tailored security measures to keep personal data and applications safe. Enterprise firewalls are robust solutions tailored for large networks, capable of handling high traffic volumes. They offer advanced features like load balancing and intrusion detection, ensuring comprehensive protection for businesses and organizations of all sizes. Firewall rules are the backbone of any firewall system, defining what traffic is permitted or denied. These rules can be based on criteria such as IP addresses, ports, and protocols, allowing for precise control over network security. Creating effective firewall rules is essential for enhancing your network security. These rules determine which traffic is allowed or blocked based on criteria like IP addresses, ports, and protocols. Properly configured rules ensure optimal protection. Firewall logs are invaluable for identifying and troubleshooting security issues. They record all events, providing insights into attempted breaches, blocked traffic, and other activities. Regularly reviewing these logs helps maintain a secure network environment. Proper firewall management is crucial for maintaining both security and performance. This involves regularly updating firmware, monitoring traffic, and adjusting rules as needed. Effective management ensures your firewall remains a robust defense against evolving cyber threats. Zone-based firewalls segment your network into different zones, applying specific rules to traffic between them. This segmentation enhances security by isolating sensitive areas from the rest of the network, thereby reducing the risk of unauthorized access and breaches. Firewalls offer numerous benefits, including preventing unauthorized access and blocking malware. By filtering traffic and enforcing security policies, they provide a critical layer of defense. This not only protects individual devices but also ensures the overall integrity of the network. Common firewall configurations like DMZs and dual-homed firewalls are crucial for enhancing network security. A DMZ, or demilitarized zone, isolates external-facing services from the internal network, adding an extra layer of protection against breaches. Following best practices ensures your firewall remains effective and secure. Regularly updating firewall firmware, creating robust rules, and conducting routine audits can prevent vulnerabilities. Properly segmenting your network and minimizing open ports can also enhance security. Understanding the challenges and limitations of firewalls is important. They can't protect against insider threats or encrypted traffic. Additionally, misconfigurations can expose your network to risks, highlighting the need for continuous monitoring and management. Firewalls and VPNs work together to secure remote connections. While firewalls filter traffic, VPNs encrypt data, ensuring secure communication over public networks. This combination is essential for protecting sensitive information in remote work environments. Regularly testing your firewall is crucial for maintaining its effectiveness. Conduct vulnerability assessments and penetration tests to identify potential weaknesses. Routine testing helps ensure your firewall can defend against evolving cyber threats and keeps your network secure. Firewalls have played a significant role in protecting networks, with numerous real-world examples showcasing their effectiveness. From preventing data breaches in major corporations to safeguarding small businesses from cyber attacks, firewalls have been a cornerstone of cybersecurity efforts. Misconfigurations in firewalls can lead to vulnerabilities that attackers can exploit. Common mistakes include overly permissive rules and failing to update firmware. Regular audits and proper configuration management are essential to maintaining a robust firewall defense. The future of firewalls is evolving with advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning. These technologies promise to enhance threat detection and response capabilities, making firewalls smarter and more adaptive to new and emerging cyber threats. Firewalls are indispensable in network security, offering multiple layers of protection against unauthorized access and malicious attacks. They are a critical component in creating a secure digital environment for both personal and enterprise networks. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more insights on cybersecurity. Stay informed and stay secure with our expert tips and guides on protecting your digital world. Firewalls are indispensable in network security, serving as a barrier that monitors and controls traffic. By defining specific rules, they can effectively block unauthorized access and thwart potential cyber threats, ensuring data remains safe and secure. To maintain optimal security, regularly update firewall rules based on emerging threats. Consistent monitoring and management are crucial. Employing best practices and staying informed about new technologies will enhance your firewall's effectiveness and longevity.